Wow, really? Cool. Oh, dude! This thing ain't floating, boys. This thing's sinking. For real though. This thing was sinking, Doc. That is heavy. Shoo! How's it going, folks? Welcome back to another episode. Today, Millie, you excited? Today's a big day, Millie. We need your help. We're gonna use her like a sled dog. She's gonna drag it all the way down to the pond. We'll be good to go. So, if you guys missed episode number 1, Pooljet and I constructed this, and then there's a walkway that we've got outside here, and we ran into an issue. Anyone have any guesses how much this would weigh, by chance? I mean, Banjo tried picking it up, and, you know, if he can't pick it up, then...
955 pounds.
You think 1,000?
I was gonna say in between 1,000 and 1,100.
You think so? What's your guess?
1,000.
1,000? Everybody's guess is about 1,000 pounds. Whether we're right or not, I have no idea. All I know is we can't pick up 1,000 pounds. Well, we actually did. We picked it up like this much, but the problem is this whole thing needs to flip so we can put the deck boards on it. Right now, it is sitting upside down. So if you missed episode number 1, Pooljet and I, we framed it and got the floats on, and then we tried flipping it, and even with 2 beefcakes, we couldn't do it. Now we've got 4 beefcakes, and we still can't do it. And so we are going to attempt to use some equipment today. We've got the main excavator back, so that's going to be hopefully our saving grace with getting this thing flipped, is using some heavy-duty equipment. But for today's video, I want to say, if you guys want any beefcake merch, it will be linked down below. Go check it out. Hats, t-shirts, whatever it might be. Use promo code FLAIR to get 15% off. Link down below. Go check it out. You guys have been loving it. So if you haven't got any, go ahead and check it out right now or when this video is over with. So the plan right now, like I said, we've got the walkway already sat outside. We can actually pick that one up and flip it over. But the plan for just today's video, it's going to be, I mean, it could be easy. We could make this easy. We could just chain it up and flip it in one shot. We are very doubtful of that. We think we're gonna have to get pretty creative with this, but the goal would be to flip it over, put decking on it, and load it onto this trailer over here. This is extra wood, by the way. We got extra wood. So if you guys want to see any other wood building project, I mean, we're gonna use a bunch of this is deck board, but like this is the extra 2x6s. So if you guys have any other building ideas, I'm thinking about building a treehouse. Pooljet's against that idea, but he's not a big treehouse guy. I love treehouses. If you guys want to see us build a treehouse, let us know. But this trailer is what we're hopefully going to use to transport this guy. That guy is wider than this. We're just gonna set it on the rails, strap it down a whole bunch, and then, oh, Millie's on lawn duty. Come on, Millie, you got it. Millie, the grass is pretty long. Look at that. How you doing? Millie's on lawn duty right